Create professional logos for your brand in just 3 simple steps using the Vexels Logo Maker. Let's get to it. To get started, provide us with your company name and your business type, so our logo maker can suggest related logo templates for you to choose from. Pick your favorite to get started. Logo templates are completely editable. Play around with the color palette. Change up the main icon using elements from our logo library. Choose from a variety of fonts and text effects. And find the correct layout that best suits your needs. It's as simple as that. Download your high-quality logo, including all necessary file formats for business cards, social media, and more. Take it a step further and showcase your logo in realistic brand mockups using our online mockup generator. So what are you waiting for? Create your logo with Vexels today.